Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I posted a video once before, a review of a Norelco one blade when I shaved off my beard. Obviously it's been a while and I regretted that because I grew my beard back. But I wanted to try something different today, my second video ever. Been hearing a lot about this ReShoevn8r laundry kit that I have been seeing online, different things. I've watched a couple of reviews on it. So I ordered their entire ultimate kit, their laundry kit. Comes with a sneaker solution, looks like a deodorizer, water stain repellent, 4 different brushes, stiff, medium, soft, and then a brass brush as well. I don't think I'm going to be using that one today. If you've got suede shoes, it's got a suede eraser. I guess this helps kind of bring back the life of the suede. A couple sets of shoe trees, just to give you a hard surface to scrub with. Microfiber towel, collapsible, expandable bowl, I guess, or whatever. The actual laundry detergent itself that you would use kind of once you've done all the pre-cleaning here, you throw it in the laundry with this detergent. And I haven't seen these before. It's a sneaker wipe. I guess it cleans off leather, plastic, vinyl, and rubber. I guess if you get something on it, I don't know, it's like a wet wipe for your shoe. So I'm not one for talking a whole lot, but I've got a couple of shoes here that I've taken the laces out. They're not in horrible shape, but the color is kind of off a little bit, and I want to see if this can kind of bring them back to life a little bit. Some of the you know, where it's supposed to be really white is not quite as white anymore. And I've got a couple of these. I've got some Yeezy Zebras that I'm going to be doing next. I've got 3 or 4 different pair of shoes that I want to give this a try on. So, man, I'm just going to start going to town and see how it works. So I hope you enjoy the video. I don't usually talk too much through the video, but I'll give it a shot here. So a couple squirts of this. And I'm going to start with I guess the soft brush. I don't want to ruin anything, so give it a few dips in the solution here. And I've already got one of the shoe trees in there. I put it in there earlier, so kind of gives it a harder surface to work with here. So let's see what we get here. Pretty foamy. I mean, quite a bit of foam on there. That's pretty cool. I mean, I guess that's good. Helping lift off some of the dirt. I'm gonna try to avoid the bottom for now. Yeah, let's see, let's give it a wipe here. Oh. Not bad. Trying to see if I can compare. Yeah. I mean, I don't know if that shows up at all, but it's a little bit better. It's not amazing. I don't know if I've not done it enough. We'll see. Maybe if I switch to the medium brush, give it a little more power. Ooh. See what this will do to the bottom too. Got a lot of writing on that side of the shoe that I don't want to jack up. Well, I think it looks a little better. I guess we'll know when it's completely done, dry. I may need to scrub it again. I mean, yeah, that's not horrible. Let's see. Let's try this bad boy. This one looks a little dirtier than the first pair was. Obviously, I'm a little new to sneaker cleaning. I've never really had shoes worth cleaning. I usually just buy new shoes. So I've heard they make products, or I've seen some products online that you can bring your soles back to like bright white, real nice. Obviously I don't have that today. This actually looks pretty dang good. So I did just the medium brush on this one. Didn't even do the soft brush. This looks heck of a lot better. Yeah, toes still a little, I mean, it's hard to see in the camera there, but toes still have a little bit of black kind of in them. Obviously the soles are still dirty. So I wonder if once I put them in the wash, if the laundry system will kind of help bring some of that out. Actually, this one's still looking better than this one. Let's see. Maybe soft brush was where it was at. Definitely seem to get more foam from the soft brush. I'm sure there's some scientific reason for that I don't care about. So yeah. Not too bad. So I'm gonna drop these, clean them off. I think I'm following the directions right here. All right, so the first set of shoes are in the wash right now. And I'm not gonna go through a whole nother video, but I wanted to show the next pair I'm gonna be working on. So these are my zebras that I've had for a long time. They're looking super bad. I wore these every day for quite a while. So I mean the toe box, everything on those is pretty bad. Sole looks bad. So yeah, they're even stretched out. I had a hard time with the shoe tree, like getting them to be in there. I mean, it's in there now, so hopefully that'll help. But yeah, these are definitely in bad shape. So yeah, I'll be interested to see. The other pair was kind of medium dirty. These are, in my opinion, pretty dirty. They've lost all their white. They're bright. They're just dingy. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep the whole video going. But yeah, this is gonna be a. I was trying to see if there's a way I could prove that these are gonna be the same shoe when I'm done, but I don't really know how to do that. There's like a tear right here. I don't know. Like a little tear on the left side of the right shoe. I don't know if that'll prove it's the same shoe. My gut tells me it'll be pretty obvious. A couple of frays back here. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna give these a scrub, throw them in the wash after the other pair. We'll see how they look, all right? Hey, what's going on, everybody? I wanted to post an update. So I pulled the shoes out of the wash and put the laces on and everything, and super impressed. So obviously the bottom is still a little bit dirty, but I don't know if you can see that or not, but looks insanely better. So the laundry system definitely made a difference, not just cleaning the, with the brushes and the solution and that kind of stuff. So definitely made a huge difference. I actually already have wore these outside even since pulling them out. I got so excited, they look so good, I wanted to wear them. So I put them on. My zebras are currently in the wash right now. They were pre-cleaned and everything, and But yeah, man, when it comes to the ReShoevn8r system, very impressed. Make sure, get the full laundry system, get the one that includes the laundry soap. Definitely made a huge difference on both of my shoes. I don't remember which ones I showed you, but just so good looking. I mean, the soles got whiter. I mean, obviously still dirty on the bottom, but I'm sure there's a way to clean those. But this, way nicer. And then I even treated them with the water and stain repellent stuff that came with in the kit. I'm not going to test it, but I mean, I guess supposedly water and different things can get on these and not messy. Just spritz it on, let them dry. So I did that late last night. And yeah, so 2 thumbs up, freaking awesome. Holy balls, I really like the ReShoevn8r Laundry System.